I'm going to reduce the fire. Now in the meantime, I'm gonna boil water and make coffee. All right. Where you from, Makida? Welcome in. Thank you for joining. I am live streaming from the Netherlands. I'm from Malaysia, but I'm living here in the Netherlands for the past 4 years. From Guyana. Look, we have someone from Guyana. Nice to meet you, Makida. It's morning for you or afternoon in Guyana? Do you know what? I never heard of Guyana before, but I was doing live streaming on TikTok, and then I have someone from Guyana. She's making cake as her content, and that was the first time I heard about Guyana. I never heard it before. Zulfia, welcome back. How are you? But interesting, like Guyanese. Like, I find it interesting because as someone who loves Bollywood, I'm crazy about Bollywood. If you guys crazy about Bollywood, I'm crazy about Bollywood movies. And interesting, Guyanese, they look like Bollywood. You have a history from India, Makeda. You can come to Guyana. Oh, I would love to visit that part of the world. I'm cooking for dinner actually. I'm cooking pork, black sauce pork for dinner. It's a pork leg. You look like my auntie. I am your auntie. I am your auntie. How old are you? How old are you, Makida? Gimana caranya? Gimana caranya apa itu, Zulfia? You are 9 years old. How come you on YouTube? Zulfia, nggak perlu. Saya sudah kasih off translationnya ya. Gimana cara translate? Cuma saya yang boleh lihat ya. Cuma saya yang boleh lihat translationnya. Let me check my pork. Okay, this is almost done. Gonna put this right here. May I see them? No. My kid's not going to be exposed on social media. Do you know social media is really cruel? Social media, it's a really cruel place. They can attack innocent kids for no reason. I see so many videos where people are so mean. They just attack kids for just being kids, small kids. Like, what kids know? Nothing. Now it's time to, this is a little bit left. 1 spoon. Okay, this is a bit left. I'm gonna finish it. This is dark soy sauce. Dark soy sauce. Finish. 2. I'm gonna use 2. I like it like really dark. So 2. Good to protect children, exactly. We're not gonna put our children for people to talk bad about them. Well, they done nothing, then they don't know them. Weirdo. People are weird. I don't know why. So everyone out there, protect your children. We're living in a very cruel world. Nobody cares. I put 2 dark soy sauce. Did I put? See? This is the problem when you do live. I'm talking. No, I forgot. Did I put? I don't think I put light soy sauce, right? I'm gonna use 1, 2. We love more flavorful, okay? 2 soy sauce. So everyone be responsible if you want to use social media, because you equally responsible. What you say, what you do on social media, you are equally responsible. Whether you do live, you do content creator, are you content creator or you are just viewers, you are responsible to make this social media a safe place for everyone. It is hard to control internet from kids because that's how the world trying to take them. They take kids they make the system where kids needs internet to study, to this and that. Of course, you cannot control that 24 hours. Nobody can stay with the children 24/7 every second, right? So that's why internet, there's so many irresponsible people who use, internet to destroy our children, right? So everyone be responsible how to use social media. Maybe we cannot stop it at all, but if everyone have the conviction and realization that we are actually responsible to make this place a better place, we can reduce evilness. We can reduce evilness, right? We cannot stop it for sure, but you know, we can reduce it. I'm gonna cook another 20 minutes and then I'm gonna add in my carrot. Carrot doesn't take so long to cook. I need coffee. I'm starting to feel like my eyes is closing. Where is everybody watching from? We need coffee. Maybe one, just a little bit more. We would not want to get killed by coffee. If you was my teacher, what will you do to her? Nothing. It's not my child. I can scold her. I can, you know, I can lecture her. But I mean, her or him, whatever. Not more than that. It's not my child, right? Maybe this is okay. Oh, just like that. Ta-da, my. Oi, oi! It's bitter. Oh wow, so yum. It's time to add in potato. This is the potato that I already cleaned and cut into cubes. And I put in the freezer. Now I'm gonna add in, wow, these carrots. Look at that. Okay, wow, okay, that's it. We don't want too much. Okay, what in the meantime, I'm waiting for this to cook. Gonna do some peeling, something to do in the meantime. You don't want to waste time. You don't want to waste time, right? We have plenty of time. So in the meantime, I'm going to clean this vegetables and put in the freezer. So it's easy for me to, when I do cooking, I don't need to do the cutting. First, I'm gonna do the celery. Gonna wash it. 2 more hours to go. What? Aha. Okay, this is done. I want the sauce a little bit thicker. We're gonna add in 1, 2, 3 water, cornstarch to thicken the sauce. Okay. More of this. Carrot is ready. This is goes into the freezer. Celery is ready. This is like good to go already. I'm gonna add in lots of papir. Okay, let me show you, everyone. This is done. Look at that. It's super shiny. Look at the sauce. It's so glossy. Look at the pork skin. I don't know if you can see it, but oh my gosh. This is my cooking, guys. It's my cooking. I'm done. Food is done. Na, 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 na. So I'm gonna go off now. Maybe I'm going to TikTok a little bit. Okay, bye everyone. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.